Hello mga people! Welcome to my channel and this is Baba V. Di ka ba nakatulog ng maayos kagabi? Tapos ngayon may duty ka pa? So for today's video, we are going to tackle about how to recover from lack of sleep fast. Number 1, don't panic. Relax lang. Fix yourself. Get ready to go to your site and don't forget, pray before leaving the house. Number 2, keep your body hydrated. As you're off to work now, don't forget your water. Number 3, you can still drink coffee, but not too much. Pwedeng mag-coffee para ma-fight mo yung antok ngayon. Di kasi kagandahan yung tulog mo kagabi, di ba? Pero, konti lang. Number 4, avoid driving. Huwag ka na mag-drive muna. Number 5, don't rely on sugar. Kaya ba? Kaya bang iwasan mo si sweets? Look for foods or snacks na no sugar. Pero paano yan? Minsan gusto mong mag-chocolate, mag-shake. Wag na ba? Or konti lang. Number 6, simplify your day. Huwag mong gawing komplikado ang araw mo. Iiwas mo self mo at mind mo sa bad vibes, ha? Number 7, go outside for a walk. Pag may time, lakad-lakad din. And last but the most, number 8, take a power nap. Mga people, ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat kasi di ka nga nakatulog ng maayos kagabi. Nap ka saglit. Huwag mong sayangin ang break time mo para makabawi ka kahit papano. So mga people, this is it for today and this is Baba V. God bless everyone. So this is it mga people. I hope you can help me grow my channel. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and God bless everyone. And this is Baba V's channel. Thanks for watching.